Saturday, May 1, 2021. This is Mercedes Diesel Guy. You know what? We've actually known each other quite long enough by now. This is Rick. This is my 1998 Volvo S70, which you have seen before. And today I'm going to be installing a trailer hitch. This one right here. So very quickly, why I'm installing the trailer hitch. Now, I've actually had this part in my stash for 7 years. It was originally on my wife's blue-green Volvo V70 wagon, and we sold that car 2 years ago. I am taking a few minutes today to install it on my S70. It is the same. The hitch is compatible with both cars, thankfully. And I'm not going to be doing any trailer wiring on the car today. Mostly I'm putting it on so I can use a hitch mount bike rack with it. So let me just get under the car and I'll show you what needs to be done. It is very quick, very easy. Okay, so the hitch actually mounts to 3 points here under the car. Other hitches may be different. This is a hitch by Kurt, and I forget the exact model number, but it's the one for this car. Anyhow, it bolts through here, and over on the muffler side through here, and then here. So the only trick is you actually have to drill through this hole and that one. Well, so nearly a day later and it's on. Let me just show you the underside. Of course, just my luck that what should have been a 40-minute job tops turned into 3 days. There was the one day last weekend where I tried to drill out the holes and couldn't. Then yesterday, I had a hell of a time still drilling that last hole. I got that done, and then, wouldn't you know, the bolts originally included with the trailer hitch just did not fit. So I ended up trying some other bolts I had in my parts stash, which ended up not working. And I ran out to the hardware store this morning and got some new bolts that were longer and did go through there. So this is all bolted up now. It is torqued down. Anyhow, this is Rick. This is my 98 S70. I've got a trailer hitch on here now so I can mount my new bike rack. And that's all. So thanks for watching.